Hi everybody. Happy last week of school. This is the weekly starting 5/18. This is the regular symbol supported version.
News to you. May 18th, 2020. Amy Bocker-Steady's Foundation. Amy Bocker-Steady is a golfer from Phoenix, Arizona. She is a person with Down syndrome. Amy and her family started a foundation. A foundation is a group of people that helps others.
So, Amy Brockerstedt is a golfer from Phoenix, Arizona. And she has Down syndrome, which is something that can cause someone to look different in the face and also to think different. She started a foundation to try and help other people.
Amy is 21 years old. She is a very good golfer. Amy goes to college now. Amy got a golf scholarship to pay for college. She plays on her college's golf team.
So Amy is now 21 years old, and she's actually really good at golf. So she got a scholarship to pay for her to go to college, which is amazing. She plays on her college golf team.
Amy went to a big golf tournament in 2019. The tournament was for professional golfers. One of the professional golfers was Gary Woodland. Gary invited Amy to play during the tournament. Amy was excited to play.
So in 2019, she went to this big tournament, and another professional golfer, Gary Woodland, invited her to play in the tournament.
Amy hit the golf ball into sand. Hitting a ball out of sand can be hard. Gary wanted to help Amy. Amy said, "I got this." Then she hit a great golf shot.
So when you're golfing, they have these things on the golf courses called sand traps. And if you hit your ball into these traps, it can be very difficult to get out. The famous golfer Gary wanted to help Amy, and Amy said, "No, I can do it." And she ended up hitting a great shot.
People posted a video of Amy's shot online. Millions of others saw the video. They saw Amy try her best. She made others want to try their best too. Amy and her family decided to help others.
So, lots of people saw Amy's video, and now Amy wants to help others be their best as well.
Amy and her family started a foundation in 2019. The foundation is the I Got This Foundation. The foundation helps people with special needs play golf. Playing golf helps people make friends, get exercise, make memories, and have fun.
So Amy started the foundation called I Got This, and it helps kids with special needs play golf. Playing golf can help people make friends, get exercise, make memories, get out into the sun.
Amy Bocker-Steady is a very good golfer. Amy tries to do her best. Amy and her family started the I Got This Foundation. The foundation wants people to try their best. The foundation wants people to say, "I got this."
So the foundation wants people to do their best. They want them to say, "I can do this, I got this." So the person in the news is Amy Bocker-Steady.
Person in the news, Amy Bocker-Steady. Amy Bocker-Steady is a golfer. She started to play golf in 8th grade. Amy plays the piano. She studies dance in college. Amy gives speeches about Down syndrome.
So, not only is Amy a golfer, she plays the piano, And she also gives speeches about Down syndrome. Another person in the news is Gary Woodland.
Person in the news. Gary Woodland. Gary Woodland played golf at the University of Kansas. Then he became a professional golfer. Gary won the U.S. Open Golf Tournament in 2019. Gary played golf with Amy Bokersteady. They became friends.
So now Gary and Amy are golfers and they play together and they are good friends now.
Place in the news. Phoenix, Arizona. Amy Bokersteady lives in Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is in southwestern Arizona. Phoenix is the capital city of Arizona. The weather is usually hot in Phoenix. Phoenix is in a desert.
So, Phoenix, Arizona is super hot. I have relatives that live there and it is hot all the time. It does get kind of chilly at nighttime though. Okay, as always, if you guys have the ingredients, please make the dish, send us a picture, and let us know if you liked it. Go ahead and log into Canvas and do your slides for the week. Have a great week.